expect this court to do its business inside? We're not animals. We go outside like humans.
It's coffee. It's new.
Oh, it's awful.
You don't like it?
I'm all jittery and feel like I got a big job coming on.
Hancock, you sign first.
No king! Gentlemen, have you taken leave of your senses?
The people shall have the right to vote.
Even the stupid ones? Yes! Stupid people vote? Yes!
Edison, can I be honest with you? It stinks. Does your wife know what's going on here?
She knows I go to work.
You're wasting your time, and it's sad. You might as well put the dishes in the shower.
Hey, Captain, what's cooking?
We're putting a man on the moon.
Are you out of your mind? I can't even get tuna without celery. Nobody's going to the moon, ever.
Why not?
It's too far. It's far. It's really far. It's far.
我々の未来はポータブルミュージックです。
バカかバカかわかるだろうわかるだろうわかるだろう
出ていけ。
みんないるのか怖いんだあバタリがいつもいるぞバタリどこバタリ
Like I was saying, it's FTX. It's a safe and easy way to get into crypto.
Yeah, I don't think so. And I'm never wrong about this stuff. Never.
Franklin! Hey, I left my cane in there. What? What do you mean? Hey, that's an expensive cane!
This Intel Evo laptop gets it done.
Great. A client ate my old laptop.
All right. Baker.
Not this time, Pete.
Work smarter with an Intel Evo laptop, powered by an 11th gen Intel Core processor.
What's going on? What's going on, everybody? We about to get right on into this shit. No cap. Where the music go?
Robert, the board just approved the plan to build your sales team.
That's fantastic. And they
Alright, we about to get right on into it, boys. Oh, let me fix that cam. What's going on, Martin? What's going on?
Morning, man. Good morning.
Morning. Oh, shit. Oh, damn. Now we about to see if there's any opportunities today, man.
Okay, I'm gonna keep my thing on mute. Let you do your thing.
All right, but. All right, but what's going on, everybody? We about to get right on into this. Let's just get to these markups. First thing I'm gonna do is by starting off with marking up the previous day's highs and the previous day's lows. So as you can see, the previous day's low is significantly closer to where we currently are in price action. So that's something that I'm going to be keeping in mind, and it also is NFP, and that's what caused this big wick that we have right here. So just keep that in mind. So now that we got the previous day's high, previous day's low, we're gonna get the Asian session. If I could use my indicator for it. It's about right here. But nah, yes, end of the week, guys. We're just gonna take it slow, not gonna rush nothing. We're gonna see what we can get. Just play it smart. We're not trying to give back any profits that we made this week. That would be stupid of us. So we just play smart. So first thing I'm noticing is we have this high of the day so far, currently right up here. Let me get that. Let me save this as a template. Already have one? Oh, all right. But now we have the high of the day right here, more than likely. Could not be the high of the day, but if you pull your fib from this Asian session high to this low right down here, more than likely it probably has that fib move just like that. Yes, it does. So if I pull it over, you can see price is respecting that fib move. So more than likely, I'm going to expect price to hold that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this high as a potential retracement point. Now I'm also going to be waiting for price to form a low down here. Let me take this magnet off. It's fucking me up. I'm going to wait for a price to slowly make a low so that I can use it to pull my fib. It looks like we did already have a potential retracement when price ran up and cleared this high right here. So we might not get another move higher, but I do want to see if price could potentially have another move. Even though if it doesn't happen, that's ideally what I would want to see. And we did get this 50% retracement also. So let's go to a little bit of a higher time frame to see if there's any potential order blocks within this area that we are currently looking at. So we have that hour order block right up here that price looked like it tried to trade into. Let's check the 4 hour. We got that 4 hour order block also. Check what's happening on the daily. Everything looks pretty bearish. Yesterday was a doji after clearing these highs. I think there's going to be a high chance that we end up trying to go bearish today and just more than likely try to reach for maybe Monday's lows. Yeah, that's something I could see. Not Monday, Tuesdays potentially. It's NFP, so I think if we get the volume, I think we have a good chance of potentially having that movement to the downside. Might not happen, but at the end of the day, probabilities over possibilities. So we're just going to see what is more likely to happen. So now let's get where we are in price wise. So let me move this mic over. I changed my setup a little bit. So, just like that. All right. Hopefully you guys can hear me good, but right now I'm basically going to be looking for a potential retracement. So let's start to mark out where price is. So we have 33,600 right here. We have 33,700 right in here. 33,800 right here. Then we also have 33,500 right in here, where price currently is at 33,400. Make this black. Then we got 33,300 and 33,200 all the way down here by the previous day's low. These are all the main big figure levels in the range that we're currently trading in. I'm not gonna mark up anything else. I'll mark up 33,900 just because it's above the Asian session high, but that's about it. So these are the main levels that I'm paying attention to. As of right now, I just want to see price potentially have a small pullback, maybe to 33,600 again, before potentially going lower. That's ideally what I'm looking to do right now. I'm going to use this 1 hour order block as a potential area where price is going to have that retracement into. Might not happen, but that's ideally where I would want to see price have that retracement into. And as price is making this low, this is where I'm going to draw my fibs. So from that London session high to this New York session low that was made during 7 in the morning, I'm going to use my fib. I'm going to look to find a possible retracement. And it looks like it already retraced into 62% and is holding below the 38.20%. So that is a very bearish sign. So if personally, what I might look to do is if I can get a retracement back to 33,500 potentially right here, I will look to potentially just have my stop loss above this wick, which is a pretty significant stop loss, not gonna lie to you. Let me see. Telegram. Yeah, it's a pretty wide stop loss, not gonna lie. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at NAS 100 also, see if I can get a potential move. So we're gonna do the same thing, mark up the previous day's high, previous day's low, and we do have a little bit of a different price action movement over here on NAS 100. The previous day's high did get taken out, and the previous day's low also got taken out right now. So it's a very different situation that we have here on NAS 100 compared to US 30. Very different. Yeah, I don't know. A little bit different, but nonetheless, we're gonna see what we can do. Let's mark up the Asian session range. So from 18 o'clock all the way to midnight. Just like that. It's a smaller Asian session also. Let's get the 12 a.m. open. We have a very similar situation, but the high of the day, we cleared the previous day's high and then ran for this low. It honestly looks like we had majority of the move already play out. That's why this is kind of like throwing me off, because it looks like majority of today's move already happened, which is kind of weird. When if you look at US 30, it's not that much price action that went on.
Andre, I think you're looking at the previous day Asian session range for NAS 100.
Why isn't this marked up? Hold on. The 12 a.m. is here. That's why I knew this is like throwing me off. I knew something was off about this. That's 12 a.m.
You're in a different day. You're a day both back up.
Hold on. So 12 is right here. Wait. Something is weird here. Where's 00?
Yeah, bro. Looks. No, I sent you a link to see what my chart kind of looks like for NAS 100, and then the orange square is the Asian session range.
Let me put that there. So where's the Asian session? This is weird right now. I can't even, like, the Asian session is not really even a thing. It's like a gap here.
Oh, you're using a different chart, bro. You gotta use a chart that shows the data for Asia for the most recent day, like a gap. So it looks like
this is my same chart though. Over here is fine. I don't know. Fuck NAS. Oh, remove indicators. God damn it. Fuck this shit. I don't know what's going on with NAS. You can suck my dick. Let's try over here. Nah, that already has my markups.
Oh, that one looks good.
No, that's the same shit. Whatever, I'm gonna just use a big figure one. It is what it is.
Yeah, that one looks clean.
It's a very similar situation, honestly. I'm not even gonna mark it up right now. Honestly, there might not even be a move today, so that's what I'm coming to terms with, more than likely. But if it happens, it happens. But as of right now, there's nothing I'm looking to do. We're gonna see what happens. Maybe we'll get a retracement, maybe not, but by the looks of it, price already doesn't want to come lower. So if we get a move to 33,500, I'll potentially think about getting in, but not sure. I'm gonna just mark up NAS 100 for the fun of it. Gonna get the previous day's high, previous day's low. Get rid of this shit over here. So now we got that. Let's get the Asian session. Boom. Let's get the 12 a.m. open. Boom. It's a very similar situation. We got the high of the day created during London session right up here. I don't know why I didn't save. Got the high of the day up here. So we're ideally going to be looking to draw a fit from this high to this low, but currently it's about to run that low anyway, so it's not really much to look at right now. Already mostly happening. So we got this long-term high, this intermediate-term high, short-term highs. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a retracement, but as of right now, not really much going on.
There's a daily breaker block. I think it already kind of tapped into it, but for the day.
On what?
On NAS.
I'm not even looking at NAS.
Yeah. Order block, bearish order block. Yeah. Like London pushed into it.
Alright, we're getting some rejection. Let's see what happens, man. Ideally targeting 33,000. So if I can get some short entries in here somewhere, I think that would be very valid. We also have this little order block in here that price has been holding. So price is either going to make another run for the 62% at 33,600 to come lower, or it might just come back to 33,500. I'm going to be looking at both NAS and US30 to see where price is likely going to retrace to. Yeah, it's a very similar situation, but NAS already tapped in multiple of these fib levels, so that's why I don't think there's going to be a high chance we come any higher. So if I have to get in at 13,800 potentially, then that's what I would do. With around 93 pips. Previous day's lows wouldn't even be a 1 to 2. What I could do is wait for a potential retracement, maybe into this order block. Yeah, I think the order block is the best potential way that I'll be able to go short. Stop loss. If I put it above order block, 40 points. If I put it up here, 80 points. And I'm ideally gonna target these lows, because the reason I'm using this here is because this is the one that swung above and cleared the liquidity above this high. So if this is the real high, then more than likely I won't want to see price come back up there.
Isn't that right, Limu? Sorry, 1 sec.
That ass ad. Put the music back on. Yeah, I think that's what I might look to do. Fill in this fair value gap and trade lower. Is it a similar situation over here? Yeah, but the stop loss over here was still pretty wide. 140 pips, goddamn. Yeah, I might just wait for this here and look for another retracement of this. Retracement of 13,800. I think that'll be a valid trade idea. I think this is gonna be my first trade attempt. I don't know if I should have it above the high or above here. I'm gonna start off with above the order block first as a low risk entry. Worst comes to worst, I'll move my stop loss because I'm not gonna risk a full 1% on this. So let's say 50 pips ideally. Nah, that's about 45, so. We'll see if it even retraces out. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna retrace right now.
Maybe after the volume comes in at the market open.
Maybe.
I'm setting up right now.
If anything, just wait for it to clear this low before retracing. But regardless, this is where I'm going to be looking to enter at. Targeting the previous day's low will give me a potential 1 to 4 almost. So, and then that's not even final target. Final target, 13,500. And if it really goes lower, yeah, but I think 13,500 is the most will even go lower. But previous day's low is the main target. Time is we got about 11-12 minutes to the open. See what happens. 13,815. Oh. Let's see what happens, man. Slowly moving there. There we go. Come on. A few more pips. A few more pips. We're at that 13,800 level. A few more pips, man. It's probably going to keep rejecting 13,800. I don't want it to. I just need to come up a little bit more than I could reject. I want to get my entry in right above this 12 a.m. open. So if this is ideal trade, it should more than likely play out how I want it to.
So the entries are above the 12 a.m. open, or is it above the 50% range? Or is it?
It's above the open. I don't use the 50% range as a indicator where the buyer saw. Let me see. All right, I'm gonna get in right here just cause I'm not gonna try to be perfect. 50-point stop. Let's see what happens. Got in at 926. 13,926 plus 50, 976. All right, I'm in. Low risk. See what happens. Let's see. Previous 30-minute candles bearish, previous 15-minute candles bearish. We are getting in this 15-minute engulfing right now, but I do have faith that we will keep this bearish momentum. If we don't, it is what it is. That's why I'm keeping a low risk, but nonetheless, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, man. We got about 8 minutes till the open. Hopefully prices doesn't want to start flying. Let's check NAS. That is NAS. I'm a US30. US30 is having this bullish momentum too. I'm overall bearish. I don't know where price is likely going to try to retrace into though. That's my main thing. Yeah, 830 had the best move right up here. That would have been the ideal move to try to catch, but hopefully it doesn't go any higher than that. Clear the liquidity belt is high, came above the 12 a.m. open. If we can get this all the way down to previous day's low, this would be a great trade for low risk. Only time will tell. The only thing is this is looking real bullish. We'll see. Higher time frames are showing me bullish, but price action and the setup is showing me bearish. So I'm just gonna stick to the setup. Setups don't lie. we can get a 5-minute engulfing, that would be everything that I need to be a happy man. I'm glad we rejected though. That's one good sign. We just gotta stay below 13,800 now. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna try to connect my phone to here so I could also show you. Where's my phone? Dock? No. Forgot how to do it. Fuck. Video capture. There we go. There we go. I can get my MetaTrader on my phone on here too, so you guys can see the trade actually being live. So when I lose it, you'll see too. Let's see. See what happens, man. Currently right at break even. Got about 2 minutes to the open. Let's see what happens. I said dock up. It's a patience game right now, man. We are getting the slight rejections, but that's not enough. I need major rejections. I just need that volume to kick in from that bearish volume. Oh, there goes the bullish volume. Let's see if this open is going to stop us out or if it's going to put us in a drawdown. I might think about moving my stop loss to the high, but then again, I don't know. I might just rather take this L. Move it or leave it. Move it or leave it. All right, I'm gonna move it above the high, and I'm gonna see what happens. Worst comes to worst, I just lose 1% instead of 0.5%. But I want to see how this reacts in this range. If it starts to show willingness to not to, I'll just cut it off short. Yeah, it's looking bullish though. What's US30 doing? I don't know how well this is. I don't like the way that 15-minute closed either. I'll give it some time though. What levels are coming up? We got 850 right here. If it doesn't hold 850, the likelihood of it going higher is going to be far more profitable, and the 900 is probably going to be touched. So let's see how it reacts to this, but the way it's looking like it's going to be L. This is just all choppy. I didn't expect it to come back into the range. Yeah. I just push. Yeah, that's NFP for you. The ideal short would have been when NFP had this push, but right now, pushing right now is not what I wanted price to do. I wouldn't have went long anyway, so I'm still sticking with the short bias. I'll move my stop loss back if we go back into break even, but for now I'll leave it above this high, anticipating that it won't go past that. Ooh. Go back. There we go. Yeah, I don't like the way the 15-minute closed. That was big engulfing. Oh, yeah. Previous stays low. So it's high. Yeah, we were right in that long area. Hey, it might just keep going bullish. Maybe from this daily order block, maybe that's what's gonna happen. US30 is still going lower though. If that's the case, where is US30 going to? Oops, past the fib. Not sure where NASA's trying to go down. Just gonna keep the wide stop loss for now. If it goes into profit, I'll move it back to where it originally was, above the order block. But US30 is dropping, so that's giving me more reason to believe NAS wants to drop too. It's just a little bit more delayed. I'll give it time. All right, we are trying to reject 850. Tapped into 62% of the order block, not order block, the fib one last time. Once we start getting below 800 level, I'm moving my stop loss back to where it was. But I'm gonna wait first. What I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna add some positioning. Adding another position in. Stop loss is gonna be where the other one is right now. So if this doesn't play out, I take a little bit of a bigger loss, but nonetheless, this was a low risk trade in the first place. So getting in at 850, if this does keep rejecting, it starts to go lower, like US30, the risk reward will still be better. But we'll see. We will see. Even if I lose with this position, I still don't think it will be at 1% loss. So. Still being managed. This is ad. Yeah, US30 is dropping. US30, but this would have been a nice move up here. 62% after we cleared that high. 50% in Asian range. 33,600 big figure level. Yeah, it would have been nice. Yeah, US 30's rejecting. This is just not looking clean. Could still play out, but the price action is not clean whatsoever. Yeah, it might just go for these highs. I think that's what it's gonna try to do. US 30 might just start to try to push higher. Made the low of the day. I don't know. This doesn't really look like it's gonna clear any long-term highs. Might just stay in this range. Yeah, it's looking like it wants to be bullish. Ain't nothing I could do about that. US 30 is having this false break bullish scenario, looks like. And if NAS keeps on pushing, it might be a good inference on to try to possibly catch this before it goes long. So if we start engulfing on this 5-minute, I might think about going long and just hedge the short position on NAS. Because if NAS ends up keeps going higher, it's only going to make more of a reason why this should go higher. So only if this gets an engulfing. Just watch this for an engulfing here. Then if it engulfs, look for a potential little retracement off it, just like that. And then target these highs, basically doing what NAS is doing, targeting these highs if it keeps going that high. But we'll see. We're still in this position, so we're just letting it play out. We're about to engulf this on US 30, so I'm going to think about getting a potential position. If I get in here, stop loss below. Damn, that's 69 points. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm about to just cut the straight short on that, so I ain't gonna lie. Cut it while I'm not as stopped out. But we are pushing now on US 30, so what I'm going to do is look for a potential little retracement down to, say, 33,400. But a stop loss below here. So we'll see how that plays out. See if we can get that. Oh, we are rejecting it. Let's see. Did it close above? Now we still got a minute for this candle to close above. Give it a second. Got a minute 30 for this to close. It's rejecting though. I don't know. It's real iffy. It's real iffy, man. Well, it looks like it wants to go higher, but NAS still looks like it wants to reject, so I'm not trying to counter trend right now. But at the same time, this is too wide right there just to get in. So yeah, I'm gonna just have to wait for that retracement. It's retracing back in that order block, potentially down to 33,900 again. Oh, let's reject that now. NASA's. Oh, I might just stick with the bearish bias, so it is rejecting, so I'll just leave it. I'll just leave US 30 alone for now, because it doesn't look like it's going to engulf this anyway, then close with that engulfing. So that means no trade to be taken still. Just still wait for NAS to go into profit. We're in profit on one, about to be at break even on NASA, so that means once we get below 13,800, I'm gonna move my stop loss to where it was before, so I can manage that risk a little bit better, keep it small. All right, you guys can see I'm in the trade. I'm just gonna take that off so y'all can see my face. There, we just need that momentum. Hopefully this 15-minute turns into an engulfing and engulfs this last up candle. That would be the ideal scenario for price to go in our direction. All right, about to be at break even. There we go. Come on, engulf that first candle. Get to that TP1. Man, I'm glad I removed that stop loss. So I knew if it was gonna break this high, it wouldn't come down. So that's why I was cool with moving it there. But
Intuition, bro. Have that. I left my stop loss, and then knocked me out. Then I got in at a better price point with the 4 lot instead of a 2 lot.
yeah, I just don't like unnecessary losses. That's why I'd rather take a slightly bigger loss on one, cause now you're 2 trades in.
I think you did your loss the smaller on that first trade.
Yeah, I only use, especially because NFP and Friday. No point in me going into full size.
Bro, you play it safe, and you're gonna be rewarded with NFP. Like you have a strategy.
Yeah, that's if it plays out. I'm not even a TP1 fan. This is easily still go back to the drawdown. I'm just waiting for this 15-minute candle to be engulfed. At that point, I'll move it back to where it was before. I'm gonna move it right back to over here, 50 pips. It's gonna be right above these highs, so right about almost at my second entry. We'll see. It's not moved yet. I'm gonna wait for this candle to at least close, because I'm not trying to risk it come back in a drawdown, because we have this whole consolidation here. This until it breaks out of this area, can easily just stay within it. Come on, fam. I'm already up what I was risking since I added that other entry. Not even before TP1 yet. So TP1, I'll probably be like maybe 0.2% more than what it would have been. Come on. No volume. Come on, stay below 13,800, man. Not a good sign, getting above it.
Yo, Andre. Found a NOS chart.
You said you found a what?
A NOS 100 chart on TradingView. Matches FTMO values, so it's not like 100 point or 100 pip discrepancy. It matches with FTMO showing like the 13.895 or 96 on FTMO. The chart I'm looking at reads those same values, so I'm not having to really do that 100 point or 150 point.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I don't really be looking at price though. So if it works better for you, it's cool. But me personally, I just go off of the price action. So I go off of like the candlesticks. That's how I just like compare where I am in price. I don't really use the actual price points.
I did that one time. Well, I do that too, but then I had my stop loss at the measurement, and then it price came up, and because it was 100 points less.
That's why whenever you put your stop loss, you gotta match it to what your entry is on your thing. I don't go entry off of here. I'll put my stop loss and everything like on here. It's probably just not the same stop loss. I just put it just for the viewers can see it. But the MetaTrader ones that really matter. I'm about to be at TP1. Come on, clear these lows. Yeah, I'll probably be up close to almost 1% at TP1 since I added a little bit of position. Started off risking 0.5%, almost up 1% at TP1. All right, TP1 just got hit. You got an alert going on? Let me move some. I'm gonna move that first position to break even. Second position, break even. All right, I'm break even. See what happens. If I can get to TP2, I might honestly just try to get out most of it there, but I'm gonna stay where I am right now. Just because there's a lot of turmoil NFP, I'm not gonna risk anything. Take majority of it off at TP2. There we go. US 30, melting. See, I knew it was bearish. It was just being a little bit sometimes. A little bit. You said what? What you mean? Our reality?
Bro, I got 2 books if you read. We can talk about it.
Shit.
And then the 5th agreement, bro.
Come on, hit TP2, fam. I'm not trying to be on these charts. No cap. It's Friday, fam. Just trying to get this one and done, man. Come on. Keep dropping. No pullbacks, please.
Also needs to go lower.
Ideally, the previous day's low is the main target, but it doesn't seem like there's a lot of momentum. So I might just leave a runner for that. Just get her at TP2. We gonna see that. I just want to see it hit TP2 before it has a pullback, though. That's my main thing. Because the weeks. It's gonna have a pullback, man. I know it's gonna have a pullback. You need to TP2 first, please. It's gonna have a pullback. I'm like halfway there.
You still have your stop loss set at the original placement?
I'm break even now.
Okay, cool.
I just have it over here. That's where it originally was. I don't know. I might take off some of the position. I might take off. Which one is which? Oh, that's the 0.5. I might just take off what I risked first. Should I? Yeah, I took off what I was risking. That's cool. First stop loss is still where it originally was. I took off half. I took off basically what I was risking right now with that second position that I added up here in drawdown. So the second position paid for the whole thing already. About to be at TP2. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, we dropping. I'm gonna just make sure it's at break even now. The other one wasn't. But I have a feeling we're just gonna get a pullback. So I'm glad I took something off though. If we pull back, regardless, I'm basically made a 1-to-1 if this could stop that break even.
800 levels right right there, bro. Usually what happens is on the broker it'll tap 800 or at least go through it.
Shit, I wanted to go through that bitch.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're getting this pullback. Yup. See, I knew we were gonna get it. I knew it was coming.
Technically, well, what's your entry price?
926.
I think your entry's still pretty good, even if you have a break even in May. If it pulls back all the way to that order block you created.
Nah, it's stopping me out if it pulls back to the order block. I need to stay below that.
Yeah, at TP2, around TP2, just hover around there and don't go back up.
Nah, fuck that. I just need to keep on dropping. Previous stay low. I would let it come up to here at max. Because after this, if it doesn't hold this, then it's going to come stop me out for sure. Hopefully this keeps dropping though. That would be the ideal scenario. Come on, so close but so far to TP2. Got 8 minutes of time.
Which already created the bearish engulfing for this morning. Today, I have a pullback, but I don't think it'll break above Asian session high for the day.
Shit, you never know. I'm just trying to get out where I can. Call it a day. Regardless, I made what I would risk on the position, so I'm cool.
Price action though, what do you think? Like if it, because I see those lows, that swing low, and it's hovering right under that swing low. Not too long ago, maybe about.
Yeah, I want it to go lower. That's my analysis.
Oh, yeah. I have an alert set at 13,800, and then I have alert set at 750, and then at 500.
13,800. That's for what? Break even?
No, for TP.
Your TP's above?
13. Well, my chart reads mode type of. So I guess yours would be 700.
No, I'm just going off of what I see over here, not the FTMO. Because this is like the main price. The FTMO's price is a bit different.
Found a chart that mimics the FTMO chart on TradingView.
Yeah, the only thing is the FTMO chart is the one that's off, not this one.
Oh, what?
Yeah, FTMO is the different liquidity feed, because keep in mind, FTMO is all demo accounts. Like, this is the actual coming from wherever it is. So this is coming from the Global Prime. These are all like the main sources, liquidity feeds. Oanda, these like the index CFDs.
Well, I found one of those TradingView ones but the numbers match the.
Yeah, whatever works for you personally. It really don't matter at the end of the day, honestly. But I just like sticking with the price I see over here. It just makes it easier. Yeah, like you said, my FTMO, yeah, 800 is ideally around TP3 almost. But for all that, I might as well just wait for price to clear all these lows, the previous day's low. That's the whole goal here. That's ideally where I want to see if this position can run to, but I'm not trying to stay on this too long. So if I get to TP2, I'm probably just gonna cut it off and leave a runner.
Where's your previous day low?
Over here under the Asian session.
Why do I have my previous day low at 13? Yours would be 851.
Shit, I don't know, fam. You should be telling me why you're sitting there.
Can I street? Well,
Just the lowest point from the next day.
I'm gonna screenshot and show you what kind of where my PDL is, and see if it's maybe just a time zone. I don't have the time zones kind of, because if that's the case, bro, this what I'm reading is not accurate and it's throwing off my game. So I just need to know someone who's better.
It should be the bottom of the Asian session. I don't know what you have marked up though.
I have. I just sent it to you. You see the purple lines that says PDL is previous day low.
Is that range that stops? Is your 12 a.m. open at the Asian session open? Because if it is, and it's like maybe 5 hours ahead of mine. The open is where you should be drawing. The open should be where the Asian session ends, not where it starts. And that means the previous day low will be everything before the open. So everything, including the Asian session.
Including the Asian session.
Oh. The Asian session is with the previous day.
Look, my fucking chart's a little off there, eh?
Shit, a little bit.
And that's fuck, man.
There we go, another pullback. God damn it.
Lows, eh?
Come on. Don't pull back, man. I don't got time for a pullback. God damn it.
I worked out with the trainer 2 days ago. I think I'm gonna once I get funded, which is me, I feel like is inevitable whenever that day comes. I'm taking the challenge again Monday, but whenever that day comes, bro, and I get a consistent maybe 2-3 months of funding. I already told the guy I was gonna get a trainer because I liked working out with somebody else who was giving me that extra push.
Yeah, it's just tell you how to do things correctly. Trainer's always good.
Big fact.
Oh boy. You said what?
$200 a month. That ain't bad. Just for 6 months, just to get that knowledge and that experience and shit.
Okay, there we go in price. Let's see if we're gonna have a major pullback and stop me out, or is it just gonna come and reject this area? Ideally, I want it to reject this area. Anything above is gonna stop me out. Yeah, it's looking like it's gonna come back, break me even. Hopefully it holds, but doesn't look like it is. Move it all the way as close as possible. Close as possible to this entry. Come on, reject. Don't do this. There's so much room to the downside. Why? Yeah, it came stop me out. It is what it is. Yeah, NFP was fucking ass. Oh. Yeah, it's over. I'm not taking any more trades. Price action today is fucking ass. Journal this. What was this? NAS 100. Bearish. Nah, bearish line of continuation. Now it's rejecting too. Hey, let's see. It could be a potential re-entry though for anybody else. Me personally, I'm not gonna bother. Could just get a re-entry off of that order block, but keep in mind it's the second time it's tapped into it. You have this fib short, but What's US30 doing? Yeah, everything looks like it's just flipping bullish right now. Might just keep that bullish trend. Alright, it is what it is. I'm still net profitable for the day, so I'm not mad. What were the confirmations for this trade?
12 a above the 12 a.m. open.
What was it? Fib? Was it a fib short? Hold on. Let me go back to where it was.
1400 big figure level.
Yeah, fib short, order block. What else? I had the big figure level. What else? Asia range 50%. What else? I think that's really it. And I was following the previous day's trend, so yeah, it makes sense. Price could still end up going lower for anyone. That if you didn't break even, there's still a chance it'll still go the way, but I ain't gonna rush it. Percent plus 0.5.
So what? We smoke weed. And free.
Yeah, it's still probably gonna play out. It's risky though. Anyone that wants to take it should go ahead. Still probably gonna work out, so nonetheless.
It's rejecting that order block though.
Yeah, it's more than likely still gonna play out. I don't know if I want to get in though. It's already 10. If I get in 800, that's 79 pips. Let me get on the 1 minute time frame. If I got a retracement maybe of this, stop loss above the high, like a small ass risk right here, that might be what I do, just a small ass trade. But then again, is it worth it? That's the real question. Potential 30 pips, 70. Yeah, it's a big gap. I'm thinking about it. Worst comes to worst, end up break even for the day. Yeah, I might wait. If it doesn't pull back in a matter of like 5 minutes, then I'm done. Simple as that. Pull back, boom, boom. I don't like the way that pushed. Looked like it was about to engulf. Might have just missed it, but it looked like it was about to engulf. So I was not gonna enter on that shit. No, something about this feels like it's gonna fly. I don't know. Something's telling me this wants to fly. Could be missing an entry potentially. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna hop in. Worst comes to worst, like I said, I end up break even. Stop loss is going above this high. Same targets. This is very risky though. But if it plays out, the risk reward is going to be very good. Very good. There we go. Already at TP1. Yes, sir. Low risk entry right here. But I ideally want it to come a little bit lower. Because if you look at on the 5-minute, I want to come see clear some lows. That's my main goal. But yeah, we at TP1 already. Smacked right through it. I'm not going to break even just because of how close I am in this range. Ideally, I want us to come see it clean these lows. If we can clear these lows, I'll just hop out and leave a runner. Simple as that. And I'll just call it a day. We can get past these lows. But ideally, I'm not going to let this trade go into drawdown. I'm already past TP1, so worst comes to worst, I'm just going to cut it off before it gets to my break even. So risk-free trade. Trying to get to TP2 so I could at least make this 1% for the day and just call it a day. Come on. Keep on dropping. Keep on dropping. Yes, sir. TP2 about to get hit. I at least wanted to clear these lows, though, fam. Clean the lows. All right, I'm going to break even this trade. If it gets stopped out, I break even. I'm done for the day. My work is done. Come on, move to break even, motherfucker. Move to break even, god damn it. Shit. All right, come on. 13,800, please. Don't have another pullback like you did last time. It's going to stop me out. Come on. Come on.
Oh, baby.
There we go, TP2. All right. TP2 hit. Ideally want to come to these lows, though. I could take some off here. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to take some off at these lows. Because that'll give me the best reward for what I'm risking.
Yeah.
It's right there. Come on. And it rejects. God damn it, bro. Just hit my damn targets. Motherfucker. Shit. Because if I can get it off here, I'll be able to make my percentage plus a little bit more. And then be able to leave that runner. And then still be up 1% for the day. Hey, it works out. Just needed to hit this target. Just hit this target, fam. The way it's rejected makes me just want to take some off at TP2 while I'm here. But I'm trying to hold for this target, man. I'm trying to be patient for you. I'm trying to be patient. There we go. Come on. Part of me wants to take some off. Even if I take a partial off right now, I can't even get the full percentage of what I want. Yup, and it pulls back just like I expected. You motherfucker. Damn, bro, just clear these lows right there. Yeah, I can't even take off what I wanted. You motherfucker. Don't got time for this. Come on. Come on, keep rejecting. Like, damn, bro. Stop having pullbacks before my targets, please. It's right there. It's right there, nigga. Go. This way. Block it. I'm about to block this shit. Nah, you're not going nowhere, bitch. Motherfucker. Go down. Can't go nowhere if there's nowhere to go.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah, bitch ass nigga. Fuck you.
Goddamn, there you go.
Trying to go the opposite way. Who the fuck you think you are? Who the fuck you think you are, Price? There we go. Had to make a little roadblock real quick. Shit. Ain't about to do that shit around here. No! Go! There we go. God damn it, bro. Shit. Alright, once we get to this target, I'm taking my partial. And I'll let you hear the noise. About to take partial, right? No, you stupid motherfucker. You little bitch. Go right through it. Right through it. I want everyone to hear this ASMR. Oh no, it goes right through it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, right there, right there. Yup. Oh, you rejected, you bitch. There we go. Took way more, so I'm up like, yeah. Got the runner in there too, up about 90 points. TP3 hit. Yes, sir. Alright, it was a little bit of a shitty day, but nonetheless, TP's all got. I'm sending it to you. Oh man, wrong chat. Oh. Oh yeah, we dropping now. Nice little trade, up about 100 points. I'm gonna just let this one run, see where it ends up going. So for the day, I'm up about low risk. Up about 1.3%, up about 1.4 with this runner. Should I just take it? I don't know, I kind of want to get to like 1.5% for the day, so I'm gonna just let this keep running.
Running. All my cars stay running.
But where are we at on the hard time frame?
Why do all my friends fall so easily? Pussies. But Savage though, baba. 21 Savage goes hard, bro. 21 Savage goes hard.
Yeah, fuck with him. Alright, up about 100. I don't know. Part of me just wants to take it at 100. I might just.
Bro, this is bearish.
Yeah, I'm gonna just take it off at 100. It is what it is. I could care less what it does. I'm gonna just get my 1.4%.
Made money this week, bro. I'm very proud of you, dude.
Yeah, I think I had like maybe I broke even yesterday. For the week, up since Monday, about 5.1%. Not ideal though. I took a lot more trades than I should have, but I made majority of the losses back though. Bad problems. But yeah, I'm gonna just let this do what it do. Second trade, 2 wins today. It is what it is. I'm done here. Done for the week. I'm gonna go to the gym. Let me just finish this journal. Fix this. How much am I up now? 1.4. Is it? No, 1.3. Not the ideal day, but it is what it is. It is what it is. And just like that, remove all drawings. Remove all drawings. Remove all drawings. And just like that, I'm done for the fucking day. Fuck these charts, fam. Jesus. NFP was annoying. Made it work. Doesn't mean it was worth it, though. Yes, ideally, I want to say I wanted to reach for these lows down here. That's the ideal target, just because one thing about the indices, they tend to just make new lows and make new highs when they end off the week. So ideally, it's probably going to come down here and make new lows to end the week off and just make the low of the week during Friday. More than likely, that's what's going to happen. So just based off all the studying and shit, what price This is a little bit lower. Nah, this got cleared over here. So yeah, more than likely this is gonna run through this low, make a new low for the week, and end Friday off with a new weekly low. So it's more than likely what's gonna happen. I'm probably gonna reach for this low down here. This is the low I'm talking about. So we'll see. I'm gonna make the weekly market video, review and everything later. So you'll see. If it does clear it, then you'll see later on. But for all that, I'm done here today, guys. If you enjoyed it, if you were able to capitalize on any of the trades, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You already know what to do. Appreciate everyone for being here. Appreciate Martin for being here. Martin, got anything to say?
Guys, just have that fear of being average. Listen to Andre, what he says.
Nah, don't listen to me. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I'm just a streamer.
Yeah, we'll pull in profits, man, consistently. Just guys, have a good weekend, and I'll catch you guys later.
But all right, you be safe, Martin. I'll talk to you.
I'll see you later, man.
Yeah, everyone, we done for the day here. We done and dusted. And on that note, let's enjoy the weekend. Make sure we study. We'll see if this target gets hit. I'll have the daily range video up today. So if everyone enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all